You know what's annoying? Spending absolutely hours analyzing spreadsheets, trying to find trends, building graphs, cleaning data, and making reports look professional. What if I told you AI could do this all for you in seconds? But before I do continue, please like, subscribe, and share. So I've got my spreadsheet opened up here. This is a survey. I've got some feedback from colleagues on how they thought specific training I delivered went. They've given some free text here in column B, and column C, they've got the rating here out of 10, how they thought their session went. Normally what you could do is here you could filter on this specific scores to see how many people rated my session 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10, so on and so forth. You would possibly create graphs from here. Going to insert, creating a chart, absolutely fine. But you could also use the integrated version of Copilot, which is here on the right side, and you could ask Copilot questions on the data that's in front of you, asking Copilot to either ask for trends, summarize using pivot tables or charts within Excel. But I'm going to show you a different feature, and that is the Microsoft 365 Copilot's AI agent, and that AI agent is called Analyst. So to access this specific AI agent, what you need to do is do the following. And you're probably asking yourself, what is the Analyst AI agent within Copilot? Well, it's an AI powered assistant designed to help analysts work faster, automate repetitive tasks, and to make better decisions using data. So it acts like a digital co-worker that can analyze spreadsheets and databases, summarize reports and documents, generate insights and trends, create those dashboards and charts, answer any questions on company data, automate those admin tasks, draft emails, so on and so forth. So to access this AI agent, what I'll do is I'm in Google Chrome here. I'm going to do a search for 365 Copilot. I'm going to click on that search and click on the top link here, Microsoft 365 Copilot sign in. Now you'll need to purchase this, by the way, through your organization, or your organization may have licenses for this. Now what you do, you're presented with this screen already signed in, and on the left side, in the navigation bar, you've got a section called agents there, and you will see a section here called all agents. If I click on all agents here, it will open up this section here. This is the agent store, and what you're doing a search for is you're doing a search for Analyst like this. So I've done my search for Analyst, and make sure you open the Analyst AI agent. So click on open, and it will take you to a fresh Copilot AI agent Analyst specific page. Now here is where this spreadsheet here, you are going to insert into this section here. But I'm going to close this spreadsheet because I've already saved it. I'm going to close it. I'm going to go into here, click on this plus icon here, and click on upload images and files. And when I do that, I will open up this dialog box, and I'm going to click on the spreadsheet I want to open here. So that's the dialog box there. It's added the spreadsheet into there. Now this is where I'm asking my co-analyst agent to do some work for me, especially if you are pushed for time, you need some answers straight away. So from the uploaded file, can you summarize the trends, summarize the strengths and areas to develop from the feedback, generate some charts and graphs which are easy to understand. Let's see what it does. Okay, so that's my question, because that's what I want to do. I'm going to summarize the trends, pick out the strengths and the weaknesses from the comments that are made, and generate some charts and graphs which are easy to understand. And then you click on this blue arrow here, and it's going away now. It's generating a response based on the prompt I've given it. And then what it's doing is it's executing some Python code in the background. So we're going to wait until it's done what it needs to do. I'm just going to forward the video until you've got some results. Here you go. It's completed some steps here. So overall trends it's given. So volume and rating, there was 108 pieces of feedback were analysed, and it's given an average rating, median rating range. So 63% of ratings are 8 or above, indicating consistently positive perceptions. And it's given you some patterns here, key strengths, delivery, engagement, relevance and usefulness, learning environment, areas to develop. Down here, so pacing, possibly clarity and consistency, charts. This is the exciting bit. This is the bit I really do like. So for example, it's generated 3 simple visuals that you can drop straight into reports or slides. So this is the rating distribution, how many people rated, my session, and those ratings over time, so on and so forth, and you just pick out what you need. So it's ask some questions here. So do I want to turn this into a 1-page executive summary for senior leaders? Actually, that's a really good idea. So what I can do, turn this into a 1-page executive summary for senior leaders. And I like the last one, produce a PowerPoint or Word version with commentary, and produce a Word version with commentary. Quite like that one. So click on this arrow. I'm hoping it's going to go away and do what I asked it to do, my Analyst co-work. So I'm just going to fast forward the video until it's produced the results. Here you go, it's what it's done. It's turned the analysis into a clean 1-page executive summary in Word for senior leaders here, but it's also told me what it includes. So let's just check this out. Okay, so let's click on this executive summary. Let's download it. Let's see what it's done. It's opening it up on my other screen at the moment, and I'll just put it on here once it's opened. Here we go. So it's given some sections here, which is great. One thing it hasn't done is added the graphs. Let's go back into Google Chrome. So add the charts into the executive summary also. Let's see what it does. Okay, so it's created the executive summary now with the charts. I'm hoping, fingers crossed. Let me download it. So opening up the new one. Let's enable editing. So there you go, the charts have been added now as well. So just very quickly, with a few clicks and just a few moments, it's created a commentary on the overall trends. So you can present this to senior leaders, talked about the key strengths, areas for development, commentary and next steps with those charts, which you can discuss with senior leaders as well. So that's just a very quick and easy way showing you how you can analyze spreadsheets, put them into Copilot, use the specific Analyst AI agent to help you present your findings from any data which you have in a spreadsheet or a database. I hope this will massively save you time, and I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.